Combining Ayurveda and CBD brings the benefits of two ancient plant-based foundations of holistic healing. Ayurveda is the science of life that incorporates the mind-body connection. It's a system of complementary medicine that uses specific herbs, as well as mind-body practices, such as meditation and exercise, to balance the three primary doshas within the body: Vata or air, Pitta or fire, and Kapha or earth. Many herbs used in Ayurveda have become famous for their healing and balancing effects, such as turmeric and ashwagandha, and these herbs are now being used in combination with CBD derived from hemp. The hemp plant has evolved alongside humans for use as medicine, food, and clothing. And CBD works naturally and holistically with our body's own endocannabinoid system, one of the most important components of our human physiology. CBD is being studied for its medicinal effects on many medical conditions, from arthritis to PTSD. Products that combine Ayurvedic herbs with CBD can have a synergistic healing and balancing effect on the body. TrueMedicines has published research about the healing effects of cannabis, and our most popular products combine Ayurvedic herbs with hemp-derived CBD. Our Hempower products combine herbs like turmeric, ashwagandha, and brahmi with water-soluble CBD powder. These combinations can rejuvenate and repair cells naturally to provide a new level of vitality and health.